Good day, everyone. Today, we will talk about gram staining. Gram staining is used to determine if a microorganism is gram positive or gram negative. So without further ado, let us start. Next is we will get our sample. Usually, it is put in an agar dish or in a test tube, but in this case, we will use a test tube. But before that, make sure to sterilize your inoculation tube before getting the sample. Then, we will get our sample, which is Lactobacillus casei. And then, we will get our inoculation tube. Make sure that it touches the culture. Make sure that it doesn't touch the walls of the test tube. When we have our sample, put it on the glass slide. Next is we will heat the glass slide. Make sure that the glass slide will not stay on the heat for too long. Make the glass slide pass through the heat for 3 times. Now, we will proceed to staining. First, we use a crystal violet dye. This will determine if an organism is gram positive. And we gently press it on the slide. The stain will remain on the slide for at least 30 seconds. After staining it for 30 seconds, we wash it with distilled water. Next is we will use a gram iodine stain. The stain will last for 30 seconds. Then, we will wash it again with distilled water. Next is we will use a decolorizing agent, which is usually 95% ethyl alcohol. Gently flush it on the slide. This will remove all stains in the slide. Lastly is we will use a counter stain of safranin on the glass slide. This will last for 30 seconds. After staining the slide for 30 seconds, we will now rinse it with distilled water. Then, we will dry the slide using a blotting paper. Gram-positive bacteria are viewed as purple under the microscope, while gram-negative bacteria are viewed as pink under the microscope. Now that our glass slide is dry, it is now ready to be viewed under the microscope. Thanks for watching!